In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Google's new Nano Banana AI because it's absolutely insane, and the best part is you can actually use it for 100% free right now. Before we dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Navigate to lmarena.ai, which is lmarena.ai, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and you don't need any account. You can actually just start generating instantly. If it doesn't load, you may have to switch to incognito mode first, so go to incognito mode and do the exact same thing. But to actually get access to Nano Banana, you're going to want to choose this direct chat option right here and select this image generation option. To navigate into Nano Banana, pick this direct chat option right here, and you're going to see the option for Gemini 2.5 flash image preview, in parentheses Nano Banana. Select that, and you're now going to see Nano Banana running in the background, or it may just say Google AI Studio when you do that. Now, what exactly does this do? Well, you can create VFX by adding explosions, fire, or cinematic effects to really any photo. You can also do multiple angles, which is going to do the same thing as like getting yourself a drone shot, side profile, low angle. All are going to be pretty consistent as well. You can also do prompt mapping, editing and object replacement. You can do ads and branding, and if you do hit the daily limit, just wait a few hours and open up a new incognito tab, and you'll be good to go. This thing is literally like Photoshop, After Effects, and Midjourney kind of all combined in the same program, and it's all through AI, so you don't even really have to do much work. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.